Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a good bagel sandwich. First, choose a fresh, high-quality bagel. Look for one with a slightly crisp exterior and a wonderfully chewy inside. Classic flavors like plain, sesame, or everything are excellent choices as they pair well with many fillings. Lightly toasting your bagel for about 2 minutes will bring out its best texture and warmth, creating the perfect base for your delicious creation. Now, let's talk about the spread, a crucial element for flavor and moisture. Apply a generous, even layer of your favorite cream cheese or spread to both halves of your toasted bagel. Don't be shy. A good amount ensures every bite is flavorful. You can explore various flavored cream cheeses, like scallion or lox, or even try savory options such as avocado spread or hummus for a different twist. Next, we build the heart of your sandwich with savory fillings and fresh vegetables. A protein like thinly sliced smoked salmon, roasted turkey, or a perfectly fried egg adds satisfying substance. Then, layer on crisp, fresh vegetables such as ripe tomato slices, thinly shaved red onion, or vibrant sprouts. Aim for about 2 to 3 ounces of protein and a quarter cup of veggies for a balanced and delicious bite. Finally, let's add those finishing touches that elevate your bagel sandwich. A sprinkle of flaky sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, or a few fresh dill sprigs can make a big difference. Carefully bring the two halves together, pressing gently to ensure all your delicious fillings are secure. Serve your masterpiece immediately to enjoy the optimal combination of warm bagel, creamy spread, and fresh ingredients.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.